Hello guys, this is my new video about my web application. Today I am going to talk about cart option in this web application. So here I am in my home page. Here you can see the cart icon here. When I click the cart icon, it will redirect the cart page. As you can see now, you can see some products which I have added. Before that, uh, I'm going to talk about the design of the cart page. As you can see, as usual, I have used the header part in here and the footer part. Then I have added the breadcrumb here. Then I have used this icon and this word. Here I have used a search option in this cart page. Here you can see my cart. You can see the image and the name, color, condition, price, how much left in the database, and buy now remove now button. You can see the summary here, and here you can see the seller name. Okay, now when I go to the home page and click add to cart button here, it will alert as product added successfully. Then if you check the cart here, you can see the added product here. As you can see here, you can see the summary. In here you can see how many items are in the cart. There are 3 items in the cart and total price of the items. Here is the shipping price. That means here you can see the delivery fee here. All delivery fees are added together and added as shipping here. You can see the shipping amount. Then here finally you can see the total amount. That means the shipping plus items price. When you hover to this image, you can see this pop-up message. You can see the product details clearly in this pop-up message. As you can see here, you can see the pop-up message here. So this is the simple design for a cart page for web application. Now I am in my database. As you can see in my database eShop, I have created a table as cart here. You can see here, you can see the ID, quantity, and the product ID and the user email. Okay. Here is my backend code of the process. Here you can see cart PHP file here. As usual, I have created the design same as the previous ones. Here I have include the header here. Then I have linked the connection. Then I have used this if condition. If a user session call is set, then this whole process will take place. Then here you can see the home breadcrumb div. You can see the home link and the cart link. Then in here I have used this query to select all the data from cart, where user email of the cart will be the email of the user currently login the page. Then here I have used this if condition. That means if you have not added any items to your cart, it will display as you have no items in your cart. That means your cart is empty. Then you will see a button as start shipping. When you click start shopping, it will redirect to the home page. Then here I have used this query to get all the details that needed for the cart process and the checkout process. Hey! हाँ 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 बात तो करना. හරි හරි. හා. 1, 2, 3. Here I have used this query to select all the details that needed for the cart option. In here I have used this if else condition to check whether if the buyer's city is out of Colombo, then it will give a different shipping price. If the buyer is from Colombo, then he will get a different shipping price. Here is my cart. As you can see here the seller, and here you can see the seller name code. Then here you can see the color, condition, price, quantity, and buy now remove buttons here. In here, this is the code that used to calculate the total. In here you can see product data. You can get the price here, then it will multiply by the quantity which you needed, then it will add it to the shipping price. So here this is my summary part. In the summary part you can see how many items here. You can see the value which I coded here. Then you can see the price. Then you can see the shipping phrase, and you can see the shipping price here. Then here you can see the total. As you can see, the total will be shipping plus total. Then you can see the checkout button here. You can see this pop out message by this code. Here you can see this script file. Using this script file you can get that pop-up message out there. Here I have used this add to cart process file also. In here also I have used some if else conditions. Here I have used some search queries and update queries, then insert queries. If all the process is correct, then it will give a alert as success product added successfully. In the script file I have created a function called add to cart here. Then I have linked this function to the add to cart button. When you click the button, this function will start eventually. Here I have used this code to pass my data using Ajax method to the add to cart process.php. Here I have passed the ID of the product. Okay, this is the end of my video. Thank you.